When I came to college originally freshman year, I knew that something was missing and I really wanted to be a part of something, and I had always really had that inner curiosity about my Judaism. So coming into school, I did meet a few really nice Jewish girls, and they all said, well, you know, you have to go on Birthright. And I didn't know what this was, and when they told me that it was a free trip to Israel just for being Jewish, I was like, well, why didn't I do this earlier, you know? And I finally decided to do it my sophomore year during winter break. I applied through Hillel, and I got in. It was just so exciting. But when I landed in Israel, I just felt this really sense of belonging. Like I had, you know, this was my home and I was returning back there, and that to me was just, you know, surreal and astounding. I never really felt like that before. I had great group leaders, and they gave us such insight on the way to each event, what we were about to see, what the significance of it was. Birthright wasn't just a spiritual experience for me, it was also a learning experience and my first time abroad. I got to interact with people of all different cultures, not only Israelis, but I got to meet a bunch of people from all over the world. And the Israeli soldiers spent 4 days with us. We really just wanted them to know that not only are they defending their homeland, but they're defending our homeland. So coming back from Israel, I really wanted to be part of the Jewish community on campus, so I joined and started closely following all the activities in the Temple Hillel. I've been going to all the Shabbat dinners, and they also have free services beforehand. I would definitely recommend any eligible college student to go on this Tukli Birthright trip that I attended. Everybody got something different out of it, but this was an extremely life-changing trip for me. Ever since I've been back, I really have been looking at things a lot differently, and I want to live a life that my Jewish ancestors can be proud of me living, and that I can also teach my children when they're old enough that, you know, this is what happened to me, this is, you know, the reason why I am like I am today, and I would really urge them as well to go on this trip.